Welcome back, everybody. My name is Brian.
And I'm Jen.
And today we are actually going to take a look at the new LLL Dance Dolls. You can see in front of me here, they almost have an 80s theme to them, which I love myself. So.
Yeah, I'm super excited for these. I saw them online, and so the car and the fashion dolls came out on March 1st, and so we pre-ordered those and just got them. Super excited to open them. And then we do also have 2 of the surprise doll balls as well. But they're really cool. They have a black light feature, and I'm just really excited to jump into these.
Cool. Why don't we get started here? And we'll start with these 2 balls here. So why don't you start us off?
All right. So with the surprise dolls, you do get 8. I'll show you that really quick. You do get 8 surprises in there. So we'll see who we get. The car, you do get an exclusive doll.
These are probably going to be tough to open like anything else with the plastic on them, but...
Well, and I just put on lotion, so that is not helping me. They're really cute though, because they have even like this little power outlet, and then there's the zipper. These are really fun little balls in here.
Wow.
This is really cute. It has a little zipper on it, so it shows you exactly where to open it.
Okay.
I always struggle at these things. It almost has kind of a Nerf look to it.
That's what I was thinking, exactly. Kind of a Nerf football type.
Yeah.
It's not Nerf material, but it has that kind of
that design. Yeah. So when you open it up, then you can see your dolls in here.
Whoa.
Now, out of these surprise dolls, there are 12 dolls to collect. Each one is a mystery, so we don't know who we're gonna get. And we do have their fun surprises in here. So this feels like the doll itself, so I'm gonna open that up last.
But wouldn't the stuff you're opening now give away who the doll is? Or?
Well, I don't know who each doll is, so I think,
okay, well,
yeah.
Then it doesn't matter, I guess.
No, so this is the little spinning table, so they can spin and dance.
Okay.
Oh, check that necklace out. That's so fun. Let's see if you guys can see it better.
Oh.
Looks like there's stars and some little, almost like little pearls or balls there. And it's really fun because these dolls actually come with a black light. And so you can, here's the other part of her floor.
Do they actually come with the light itself?
Yeah.
Wow.
So, and then you can put them on the little tray here, and then they'll spin and do their dance moves.
Oh, that's creative. Look at that.
Yeah, and these will actually connect to the other dolls as well.
Oh, okay.
So you can have a whole little dance party.
Like a gear setup where one turns and the rest of them will turn. With these little knobs here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we have a yellow little bottle here. It's very squishy. And that's one of our accessories that we have. Oh, I almost missed what was in this one. It's right in here.
Wow.
It's a little bracelet, yeah.
Tiny.
How cute. Okay.
You can definitely lose that.
Yeah. And then we have our packaging, so we'll look at that here in just a moment. Oh, here's her black light. So we'll try to turn off the lights for you once we have everything all set up and turn on our black lights. I don't know how well they will turn out though.
Is it already...
No, it has the little thing once you pull that out.
That's
nice. And here we have our outfit. It's very bright and colorful. You can see it's this hot pink little top and a very sparkly yellow and pink skirt. So I'm excited to see her in her outfit.
Sorry we don't have everything laid out here up front. These boxes are really big, so we'll eventually move those and set everything up so you can see it all.
I'll try to scoot these back too a little bit so you can see them. They do come with her little sandals, which again,
look at those.
Very bright neon yellow.
Those little jellies that my sister used to wear.
Oh, I used to wear those too. I loved my jellies. These are, they kind of look like gladiator sandals.
They do.
All right, and our last package to open before we open up our doll
is
This is her little foot stand.
Oh, display
for
stand. For her to stand on, okay.
Yeah, for her to stand on here.
Perfect. So which doll is gonna be?
Okay. Oh, and here we can see her dance move. So each one of these dolls does come with their own little dance move that you can do, and then you can put these together, make your own dance. So each little movement. But that's really fun.
That's lenticular.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
All right. So let's see, which doll did we get?
Whoa! Look at her hair.
Look at her.
How cute.
Her hair is so shiny. It almost has like a gold
glitter.
Yeah. And then she has little pink shorts and these really pretty little earrings that dangle down. And her eyes even have glitter.
So basically we would put the outfit on her and on the stand and she will turn and dance, right? Cool.
Yeah, so she is a lot of fun. Let's see what her actual name is, though. We have our checklist here. So I believe she is, let's see here. Oh, I thought it was a necklace. It's actually a hair.
Hairpiece.
A hairpiece, yeah. It looks like we have Revue, maybe? I'm not really sure how to say her name there.
Revue, something like that.
Yeah, but look at all the little dolls that you can get here. There's some really fun ones. Look at this 80s one.
Oh,
we definitely need to get that one. Hopefully in the next one that we open.
That's awesome. That's Roomba Girl.
Yeah.
Cool. Maybe I'll get her now.
Yeah. Well, while Brian's opening up that one, I'm gonna put together our doll here, and then we'll see them all together.
Okay. Let's see who I get. Maybe I can open this quicker than Jennifer did. I doubt it though.
Hey now.
I know, I struggle with these two, actually, so. Let's see. Off she comes. And there we go. Oh, there's another piece. Shoot. I thought I was done. Nope, look at that. It pulls right down.
Okay, he did that much better than I did.
I just got lucky. Okay. Let's see who we have. So like Jennifer did, we'll pop it open. We'll grab this, set that right there. Put the ball over to the side. So our move here, here's our dance move first. It's lenticular.
Oh, and it's a different one. So that means that we have another doll.
The runaway surprise dance move. Cool, so we'll set that right there. Let's start with this pack here. Oh, good, the most boring piece. Start. We got the stand. For her feet. Next up. I like these bags too because the material they use, they make them easy to rip open. You know, some of those other blind bags, they have kind of a waxy paper, so it makes it kind of hard to rip. You have to use scissors, so these are nice. So here we got her outfit. Then we have a black and neon green piece here. Looks like we got her underwear or bottom piece here, which is green. So, and then the forms goes there. We got the black light. We got her stand. It's a different color too. The previous one had yellow with like a design on it. This one's just plain old pink.
Yeah, it's it almost is like hypnotizing.
Yeah, these are definitely unique. And then here's the piece that goes on top. Now this is cool. Look at that. It has a design on top of it.
Oh, and it's kind of transparent, so you can see the bottom.
Yeah. So this, we got basically pink on pink here. So let's plug that in here. Okay. So this goes into there, and then this piece here sits in there, kind of locks it in, and that's where she's going to sit on here. Okay. This is a smaller bag here. Let's see what we got. Oh, it must be the bracelet. Let's see. Yep. Tiny little bracelet here.
Oh, it looks like it has like little spikes on it.
Yeah, it's almost like a spike. Who do we have, I wonder? This is unique. Okay.
Well, I can tell you we
look
do.
Look at that. Glasses. Those are cool. Those almost look 80s.
Those do. I love it.
Do we get an 80s girl? Anticipation is killing me here. We got couple more bags before we get to the doll. Oh, look at this. These are her boots. Yeah, definitely like spikes on them or something.
I think she's gonna be a rocker chick.
Like an 80s punk rock chick?
Maybe.
There we go. And then one more blue, and then we're on to the doll. Ooh, look at this. She's got a like a water bottle of some sort. It's kind of a neon.
I like that one.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. And then on to the doll. Let's see who we get. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. So she definitely has to be 80s. Look at that haircut.
I love her neon green hair.
Yeah, she's awesome. She's got purple eyes, bright green hair. She's got that cool flat top going on from the 80s.
It looks like she even has little pink gloves.
She has pink gloves on. She's even got like a leg band, almost 80s tights or something. So she's gonna look cool when we get her all dressed up. That's awesome. All right, what's her name?
She is
Phenom BB.
Yeah, so you guys can see her.
Phenom BB.
And so each of these dolls also comes with a channel. So she is part of channel 5.
Yeah, and so I just tried to set her in the stand here, but you actually need to have her boots on for her to stand. So we'll do that at the end here.
All right, so we're going to pause the video for a moment, and Brian's gonna put together his doll, and we're gonna kind of clean up the station and start getting our other 2 LOL Dance 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 stuff ready. Okay, now we're going to open up our OMG Dance 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 Fashion Doll. So there are 4 dolls you could get: B-Girl, Virtuelle, Major Lady, and Miss Royale. I loved Miss Royale when I saw her online, so that's who I picked. Although I would like to get the other 3 dolls as well. I just thought that she was really cute. So we are gonna go ahead and unbox Miss Royale today.
Cool.
So one thing, when you look at this, you can actually open this and detach that.
Oh wow, it's lenticular. Let's see. Right there.
Yep. And then in here, let's see if I can do this.
Look at that. Whoa. That's pretty cool. That's creative.
So that's really fun.
Jeez,
you can see her dance
funny.
moves.
Yeah.
Over here on the side, you can see all of the other dolls. So I'll hold it up so you can see the 3 that we did not get. And then on the back, you can see that we do have the different channels again. So channel 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the back of it kind of looks like an old TV or VCR even. So that's really fun.
It does, yeah. It looks like a old RCA jacks or something back there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and with this box there are 15 surprises. So we have quite a few things to open for us today.
Oh, cool.
So, and you can just pull the little tab right here and open up your doll.
Jeez.
And here she is, Miss Royale. All right, so I'm gonna detach her and then we are gonna go through all of her stuff. Okay, so here is Miss Royale, all out of her package. She was in there very good, so I'm glad we were able to do that off camera so you did not have to wait that whole time. I love her hair. It is super fun, all the different little buns that she has and the braids, and it kind of reminds me of cotton candy, just how colorful, and it kind of looks like, almost like fluffy like a cloud. So it totally just reminds me of cotton candy.
Yep.
You can see here her face is just so beautiful with her blue eyes and her different makeup and accents. She has a little heart right here, so you guys can see that. And then her outfit itself is really fun. It is kind of a metallic silver with little peekaboo shoulders, so you can see that. And then it comes with this kind of a cage skirt,
Yeah,
little belt.
Lots of layers, lots of detail.
Yeah, she's very detailed. And then she has little thigh highs and some platform shoes.
Yeah.
And her tights also have these cute little bow designs on them.
Oh, man.
You can even see her hands have a kind of a yellow fingernail polish, which I bet is going to look really cool with her black light. If you keep her package fairly nice, you can see it's actually a backdrop, so you can display her when you're not using her, or it's just kind of a fun background. It does come with a stand, so you can hold her up. And then in here, we do have her fashion dance moves. So you can see her dance move is with her fan, and so I'm guessing that's gonna be one of our surprise accessories that she comes with. But she kind of does this like fun little fan move there. It's not fun like the other ones where we can actually see the action.
Yep.
She does come with her brush and then her hat box. And then this is her wardrobe bag, which does have a cute little hanger and a nice little wardrobe. It's really nice little material too. So I think you can take these out and be really gentle with them. That's not typically how I go, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rip it open. But if you wanted to save it, you could.
Here's the hats. I'll get ready to open these too.
So in here, you can see there's a little hanger and then a fun little skirt, bright yellow skirt that we can put on her as well.
Cool. So we have two different hats here. Let's see what the first one is. Oh, no, this is a fan. So Jennifer called it. Yep, she does come with a fan for her dance moves. So, and then I wonder what this is. Ooh.
There's her black light.
Whoa, we got a lot of things in here. We have these earrings.
Fun, I'll put those on her right
Earrings
now.
go on her. One for each ear. And then also a bracelet here. So it has the has a broken heart.
Oh, maybe that means that she's had some heartbreak in her lifetime.
And then this must be the black light.
Yep, definitely looks like it.
Okay.
One of the pro tips with these dolls too, you can actually pull off their hands and detach them to make their clothes, to take their clothes on and off if you were switching out their outfits for different things. So that is kind of a little tip there.
Probably makes it a lot easier to put stuff on.
Yeah, because sometimes their hands are not very cooperative.
Okay.
So there's her bracelet, it's on. She's gonna hold her fan now. There's her fan over her face. And then her earrings are kind of these little bows that dangle down. And so I'll put that on her really fast too.
And we'll put her on the stand and see how she looks.
Okay, there you can see we have Miss Royale. She's in her throne, her little house there, and she has her fan going and she is ready for her dance moves. I love how beautiful she is. I just love all the bright colors, and I love her hair and her accessories. She's very fun. I love her.
Cool. Okay, so now we're on to the car, which is a 3-in-1 playset. It actually transforms from a car to a pool to a dance floor. So you can see the lights actually open and close as well. Apparently these are black lights. And then the seats came separate. We just installed those. But it also came with these little bags which we're gonna unwrap first. So let's see what we got.
And with the seatbelts, just so you guys know, they do actually unhook. So you can hook your dolls in so they're safe. And then if we look inside the car, this little glove box right here does open.
Wow, that's really cool. And I like that it's a standard, it's a manual shift, which means this is probably from the 80s. Love it.
It definitely looks like the 80s. All right, so let's open this one up. So these are some sunglasses for Dance Bot. She is an exclusive doll that comes with this car. Here she is right here. And she does even come with her own driver's license, so she's official to drive.
That's cool. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Okay, she's got her own, is that like a coffee mug or some kind of drink mug?
I think you're holding it upside down.
Oh. Of course I am. There we go. Yep, it's a coffee cup. Now it's holding right. Yeah.
Here is, this is so cute. I think it's her car keys. It has a little cat keychain and then it plugs right into her car to get it started.
That's detailed.
It is.
Oh, my turn.
Oh, I was gonna cheat.
How dare you? Okay, this is.
Oh, I bet that's her coffee cup.
Oh, cup holder.
Her cup holder.
Yeah, so this I'm assuming this probably snaps in the car and you put her little coffee in there. So we'll take a look at that here.
Alright, and so you can see that she has two little bracelets that go on that come with her as well. So I'll put those on her. And it's hard to see, but her glasses actually do light up with the black light. And so I'm going to use one of our other black lights really quick. And I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but yeah, you can't really see it too well with this. We have too many lights on, so we'll see if we can turn it off. But it does say dance on it because she's one of the dance dolls.
Okay. Now, how do we transform the back of this? Looks like the window moves in and out here. Let's see that. Mirrors. And then this. Okay.
Oh, the cup holders for when they're in their pool.
So this. Oh, okay. That snaps in like this, and that becomes a pool. This. Okay.
So then they can relax pool inside their pool.
And then there we go. And there's the coffee, their drinks. And then you can actually pull this out. Or like this, and they have a dance floor here.
Oh, I thought maybe it would connect, but it doesn't.
Yeah, so this actually feels pretty high quality too. This car, it's actually pretty heavy, like a hard plastic tires. So yeah, it looks like here's where the batteries go, right?
Yep.
So
for the black light.
For the black light. So yeah. So.
And one thing that's cool with the pool is you can actually fill this up with water and it won't leak. So there's a liner on here that you can use to fill it up.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that. There it is, the liner itself. Awesome. Which means this comes out and you can actually use this as the bed of a truck.
Oh yeah, you could.
Yeah. Awesome. So let's put this back in here. Okay.
And then here's her keys to go in right there.
Oh wow, they actually go in. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So you can see her keys just go right in there.
That's a cool detail right there.
Alright, so we are now going to get all of our dolls out. Alright, so there we have all 4 of our dolls and our dance car. We have Dance Bot, who is the exclusive doll with the car. Our 2 surprise dolls, and then we have our Miss Royale. One thing I wanted to show you with the surprise dolls was that each channel does come with an MC, an old school dance, and a new school dance move. So you can see those are listed right here. And so we have an old dance school move, and then we also have our MC.
Well, so let's take a look, and I wanted to show these here. You can see they're connected together, and they have these little tracks you can spin, and so you can connect really as many as you want together, and they dance together. So it's pretty cool.
I wish there was a way to hook Miss Royale into that.
Yeah, she's a giant compared to them, so.
I know, but it would have been fun because she has her little stage. It would have been fun for them all to dance. All right, so now we're gonna dim our lights and see if we can get these black light surprises going. All right, so let's see if we can show off our surprises.
It looks like it works. Wow, it works really well actually. Look at that. The green really pops.
Yeah, it does. I'm gonna take off her sunglasses.
You can see it says dance on her. Just dance on her mask.
Very
Yeah,
cool.
I really like the green.
Mm-hmm. The green really pops.
Okay, let's turn our lights back on. Alright, well that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Got lots more coming, so we would appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, and comment below if you'd like. And look forward to more videos. Thank you and have a great day.
Bye everyone.